Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got the new Google Home Hub. This retails for £139 in the UK. I'll leave a link in the description, guys, if you do want to check it out. But it comes in three different colors. So you've got your standard white and black, so your chalk and charcoal. You've got the coral color as well as this aqua color, which I'm a big fan of, and we have a few of them, so it's a nice touch, so I went for that as well. But yeah, this is the box itself. You've got the little picture of the product itself, some Google features, and the design itself. But yeah, let's open it up and get to everything inside. So let's get my knife. Let's peel this off. So let's open the box up. And wow, that's tiny. A 7-inch, oh my god, that is looks nice. It looks cute, I always say. It looks like it's tiny and cute. But let's see what we get inside the box. So we've got let's get started. You know how to set everything up. Just plug it in, download, and use the Google command, so that's good. Some more stuff there. And that side's empty. Yeah, and then we've just got the power brick here. That's your standard Google power brick. Micro. Nope. It actually uses a dedicated plug. So that is gonna be a bit down, but yeah, Google do whatever you want. But yeah. So guys, this is the Google Home Hub itself. As you can see, I've got the aqua color, which looks very nice. I am very pleased with that. So at the front, we've got two far-field microphones. We've got an ambient EQ light. We've got a 7-inch touchscreen display, and it only weighs around 480 grams. So that is pretty lightweight. So yeah, the screen is 7 inches, as I said before. So that's really good. It's going to be decent for your Google OK commands and just watching YouTube videos and cooking recipes, so that's nice. If you have this the kitchen and stuff like that, that's very good. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna connect the power up, and wait, let's peel off this plastic here first. Totally forgot about that. It's a very complicated peel. Okay, so that's peeled off, and as you can see, it looks very nice, guys. Just look at that color. That color is literally nice. Okay guys, let me connect this up and get back to you guys in a bit. So guys, it's plugged in now, it's powering on, and on the back you've got your mute switch for your microphone and your volume up and down, so that's really good. So if you don't want to listen to, you can just turn off the microphone. So you can see, guys, it's starting up now. What I'm going to do, I'm going to get my phone out at the same time and open up the Google Home app, so we know how to set everything up. It's already showing me that it's a new device to set up, so that's good, but I'm just going to wait for this.
Welcome to Google Home. To get started, download the Google Home app on a phone or tablet.
So I'm just going to turn this down so it's not too loud for you guys. But yeah, as you can see, it's telling me to download the app and everything. So it's already showing up here, but if it does not show up here, you want to go down to add device. So click on this plus sign, set up device, and it's a set up new device that is Google. So you want to click on that. You want to put it in the home. It's going to do a quick search. See if we can find anything, and hopefully we should find it. Yep, we found it. So just give that a second to load up. Yes, it's the right one, so I'm gonna hit next. That's gonna connect, and it's showing me that it's got a CP3C6 pin, and yeah, it's correct. Yes, I'm fine with that. where is this? I'm gonna use it in my office for now, but I'm gonna move it into the kitchen afterwards. I'm gonna use my Wi-Fi, so it's gonna connect to that. It's literally some simple process. It's the same way you set up any other Google Home devices. So right now it's saying it needs to update, so it's gonna be doing that. So we're just gonna wait for that to finish off. So guys, it's set up now and it's just showing me some pictures now, but if I double click on that, it's gonna take me to my weather, and if I've got some upcoming reminders and stuff like that, it's gonna show me some useful links I'll probably want to read, some YouTubes, and just if I want to make something for my afternoon, I can do that, which is nice, and explore more stuff, which is really nice. And if I click on that, it's just gonna go to the slideshow. So here I can use pictures from my Google account or just something from online, which is really nice. So it's just going to show you this. So it's like a picture frame when you're not using it, so that's very nice. Having on your, like on the desk, anything, it's just going to show some pictures. That's really up to your choice. Whatever you want to show, you can do that. So guys, let's ask some question now and see how well it works. Because it's got display, it's now going to show me information as well, and then just answering, but it's going to show me pictures or just some sort of graph. But yeah, I'm going to mute the command as always. But yeah, what's the weather like today?
In Coventry today, it'll be partly cloudy, with a forecast high of 9 and a low of 7. Right now it's 9 and mostly cloudy.
So as you saw guys, it's showing me the weather, it's showing me some forecasts for the next few hours. Stuff I can now ask. What about tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Coventry, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 12 and a low of 6.
As you can see, that's very useful and stuff like that. But if I want to play stuff, I can just do that as well. So I can like play my music.
Playing some music on Google Play Music.
So as you can see guys, it's playing the music. If it had some album art, it will show up here. We've got the name of the song, which is nice, and I can skip as well, which is really great. So that is a nice little great feature there. So I'm just going to stop the music. And let's see how you get home. Okay, if you start there, you get home. But now we've got the music icon here because I used it, which is nice. So another thing is I can search up where is the nearest McDonald's.
I found a few places within 5.5 miles.
So it's showing me location and stuff like that. The closest one.
The address for McDonald's is Gallagher Retail Park, Stony Stanton Road, Coventry CV65QE.
So as you can see, it's actually showing me where it is, a map of it, how to get it. So I'm here and it's showing me where to go, which is really nice. So it's just a little extra feature you get with the display where you normally don't get. It's like when you're using your phone, it always gives you extra stuff. It's the same thing it is here, and I can slide through other McDonald's if I want to go to a different one. I can come back, and it's just really so great. So I can ask to play videos, watch movies, cooking recipes. It's just really nice. It's much more different than using the standard Google Home where you just get voice response, but here you're getting voice with picture, videos and everything, which is really nice. And if I swipe down, I get to my controls. So I've got my lights, my media, my broadcast. I can view other rooms as well. If I've got the rooms, so I've only put up the office now on this network, which is really great. So if I swipe back, if I go into the lights, then I've got the two different lights I've got on here. So if I take the desk light, which is the back light here, I'm not sure how well you see that, but I can turn it up, turn it down, off. So I don't have to use my voice, I can just use the controls. Same for changing color, so it's got a few presets. So I can change that, as you can see. Let's pick a different green. So that is a very nice feature. Same with the brightness, it's already at 100% now, which is really great. Swipe back. If I want to broadcast something, I can play something on something. And if I just want to broadcast, if
What's your message?
come to the office.
Alright, broadcasting now.
So this is going to broadcast on all my other Google Home. So this one is off, so that's why it's not doing anything. But the one upstairs is going to broadcast now saying come to the office. So if someone's upstairs, I need to call someone, I can do that if I have in the kitchen. So which is nice. If you've got a big family and you've got loads of them, so if dinner's ready, you can just broadcast dinner's ready and everyone to come to the dining table. So that's nice. But yeah, that's just so many things you can do, guys. So yeah, guys, this one just gives you much more detail. It shows you stuff visually, it graphs everything, which is so nice compared to the normal one. You don't get anything. It's like when you're using on the phone, you get more stuff. It's the same thing here. You can go to time, you got everything here, and just more use it, the better it's gonna get. So you can watch movies, YouTube videos, cooking recipe. It's just a lot of things. I'm going to be trying loads of different things. So I've tried stuff there. I'm going to try here and see the difference. I'm going to show you the difference as well, because this one's just going to show you many more things, and it's more visuals. It's much pleasing to the eye. And if you're cooking, it's much easier to use this because it's just going to give you the cooking recipe much easier. You can just slide through it, go next and next, which is really great. But yeah, guys, I'm going to have loads of more videos. If you've got any suggestions you want me to try out, test out, please let me know in the comment section, guys. But yeah, I'm going to have so many videos on the Google Home Hub. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.